Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Learn Along with Vishnu. Today we will learn about famous research institutes in Andhra Pradesh. First of all, CTRI. CTRI stands for Central Tobacco Research Institute. It was established in 1947 at Rajamandri in the district of East Godavari under Indian Central Tobacco Committee, Madras. The function of CTRI was taken over by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, in 1965. CTRI has sophisticated analytical instruments. ICAR has established various research centers in order to meet the agriculture research and educational needs of the country. All India Coordinated Project on Tobacco was established by Indian Council of Agriculture Research in the fourth five-year plan during 1972-1971 with the headquarters of the coordinating unit at Anand, Gujarat. The headquarters was subsequently shifted to CTRI, Rajamandri, AP on 16th August 1998. Secondly, IIOPR, which stands for Indian Institute of Oil Palm Research. It was established at Peddavegi in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh on 19th February 1995. Research on oil palm under irrigated conditions is practically a new start, and the Indian Council of Agriculture Research established the National Research Centre for Oil Palm, later renamed as Directorate of Oil Palm Research. In November 2014, the institute was upgraded as Indian Institute of Oil Palm Research, that is IIOPR, to cater to oil palm research requirements across the country. IIOPR serves as a center for conducting and coordinating research on all aspects of oil palm conservation, improvement, production, protection, post-harvest technology and transfer of technology. Next, third one, SHAR or SDSC. SHAR stands for SHAR was renamed as Satish Dhawan Space Center SHAR on 5th September 2002 in fond of memory of Professor Satish Dhawan, who is the former chairman of ISRO. Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR, Sriharikota, the spaceport of India, is one of the lead centers of Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Department of Space, Government of India. Sriharikota, the ideal location for the spaceport. This spindle-shaped island in SPSR Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh, situated in the backwater Pulicat Lake and sandwiched by Buckingham Canal on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east, was chosen in 1969 for setting up the rocket launch station of our country. Sriharikota covers an area of about 43,360 acres, that is approximately 175 square kilometers, with a coastline of 50 kilometers. Eucalyptus scrub jungle vegetation, including a few medicinal herbs, groves of coconut and palm and cane brakes around shallow freshwater ponds, dominate the landscape of Sri. Fourth one, NARL, that is National Atomic Research Laboratory at Gadanki near Tirupati. It is an autonomous society supported by Department of Science, is a center for atmospheric research. NARL is involved in technology development, observations, data retrieval, dissemination, assimilation and modeling. NARL carries out its research activities under seven major groups, namely Radar Application and Development Group, Ionospheric and Space Research Group, Atmospheric Structure and Dynamic Group, Cloud and Convective Systems Group, Aerosols, Radiation and Trace Gases Group, Weather and Climate Research Group, and Computers and Data Management Group. Apart from these groups, there are also specific or special projects such as LIDAR project and Advanced Spaceborne Instrument Development Project. Gadanki is about 35 kilometers southwest of Tirupati town in the district of Chittoor. These are the institutes which is located in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.